Hello from Slovenia again. Today I will do a split cup pour with ready to pour paints from Pebeo. They called pouring experiences. I don't know how this will work because I don't know. That's why we will do this experiment. But just want to show you that you can maybe get some nice results with ready to pour paints too. And I will use magenta, gold, this metallic cobalt blue, that it's gorgeous, their brand, because I know, some white and copper. And I will just pour those paints into the split cup. And I will start with magenta. And I will add some black on top, I think. Or not. No. Magenta. Gold. When you use those ready to pour paints, make sure that you will shake them well before you will start pouring. I don't know, I just leave the consistency like it is. We will see what will happen. This color is gorgeous. Why they don't have this color in their palette that you can buy just paints, not ready to pour ones. And some white. And some copper. I know that their gold and copper are amazing, so this too looks like iridescent copper and iridescent precious gold from their brand. I just think that I will add okie doke. Let's see what will happen with those colors. They look beautiful. definitely different, even with tilting, than my pouring medium, and the white looks a little weird. And I kind of lost a lot of my copper that I didn't mean to, but just want to tilt a little more of this off. Just okay. I will leave it like it is, torch it, air bubbles doesn't even want to pop, don't like that. But otherwise I'm happy. So let me take you down for a close-up. So here is a close-up, and I think that I like this orientation. The colors are looking amazing. All those lines. But the real beauty will pop when I will show you the dry result. I hope it will dry okay. White looks a little weird. I don't know. Maybe the white was even a mistake, and I think that I will tilt just a little bit of this off, just to have kind of, you know, something there. I don't know, probably I will tilt just a little bit of this part off, but you will see that on the dry result, so stay tuned. So here is a close-up. I like this painting. I really like this part so much with that gold and magenta. I will say that those ready to pour paints are nice, shiny, way different consistency than mine with my pouring medium, so I had a little problems with tilting, or how can I say, just a second, I just want to show you those details if I can. Focus. Focus. But definitely you can start with this if you are a beginner and try to achieve some nice results, because you can with those paints. So I don't know, kind of reminds me of a flower in the desert or something, I don't know. I will call this one Done. and beautiful. I really like it, and I like the composition, so I will say good luck to you if you will use some of those paints. If you did, I would love to see your results too, and see you on the next one. Bye!